Okay, sticking considerations. There are three different types of sticking that we need to talk about whenever we use multiple drums. The first type of sticking is called shifting, and that's just when you move from one drum to the next. When you do shifting, you want to make sure, if you can, to use the mallet that is on the inside of that drum. So in other words, if my playing was, I want to make sure I use my right mallet because it's on the inside of this drum. I wouldn't want to use this mallet because it's on the outside. I'd be reaching over my right hand. It'd be a little bit more awkward, a little harder to play. The next sticking consideration we have is cross sticking. And cross sticking is exactly what I just talked about, is when you go over the mallet to play to the drum. If at all possible, we do want to avoid cross sticking, but there will be instances in your playing where you will have to use it. And the last one is double sticking. What double sticking means is you're playing twice on the same drum. Once again, if at all possible, try not to use double sticking. But if a passage is too fast, it's going to be really awkward to use cross sticking or shifting, and there will be times when you have to use double sticking. Anytime you use any of these sticking considerations, make sure that you are still playing in the correct playing area, because when you're switching drums, sometimes you hit in the middle or the end and it gets kind of a thuddy or a thin sound. So always make sure you're playing with a good sound and a good stroke.